America, the land of freedom, opportunity, and dreams. But do you know how this nation became the world's most powerful country? Long before the flag was raised, Native Americans lived across this vast land with their own rich cultures. Then came the British settlers in the 1600s, establishing colonies along the East Coast. Slowly, 13 colonies grew strong, but they were under the heavy rule of the British Crown. Taxes, restrictions, and the thirst for freedom sparked a revolution. In 1776, leaders like Thomas Jefferson and Benjamin Franklin boldly declared independence. The Revolutionary War followed, and after years of struggle, the colonies finally won. George Washington became the first president, and a new nation was born. The young United States faced challenges. As it expanded westward, building towns, farms, and railroads, tensions grew between the North and South. The Civil War erupted in 1861, a war that tore families and the nation apart. Slavery was the heart of the conflict, and after four brutal years, it was abolished under Abraham Lincoln's leadership. After the war, America transformed. Railroads connected coasts, factories churned out steel and oil, and new inventions like electricity and the telephone changed daily life. Immigrants poured in, chasing the American dream, and by the turn of the century, the United States had become a rising global power. World wars brought America into the world stage. In World War II, after Pearl Harbor, American soldiers, industry, and strategy helped defeat the Axis powers. By 1945, the United States emerged not only victorious but as a superpower. The Cold War followed, with America and the Soviet Union competing for global dominance, technology, and space. In 1969, Neil Armstrong's historic step on the moon proved that the United States could reach the impossible. The late 20th century saw America leading in culture, technology, and influence. Hollywood movies, music, and fast food became global phenomena. Giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Google shaped the digital era. Despite challenges from civil rights struggles to international conflicts, America kept moving forward. Today, the United States is home to millions from every corner of the world. Its universities, innovations, military, and culture impact the globe every day. From Wall Street to Silicon Valley, from Washington, D.C. to Hollywood, the world watches America as a symbol of opportunity and power. From humble colonies to a global superpower, from wars and struggles to the moon and beyond. This is the incredible story of the United States of America, a nation built on freedom, dreams, and endless possibilities.